In this video, I'm going to explain how a nation with a population of 80 million people and a pretty advanced online banking infrastructure does not use any sorts of credit cards at all.
Is that even possible?
Yes, it is. I'll explain it. Stay with me. Over here in Iran, nobody uses a MasterCard or a Visa card or other sort of credit cards like these. And the reason for that is that none of the Iranian banks issue these sort of cards and offer these sort of services. But don't get me wrong, we don't carry around cash with us to do our purchases, as Iran has a fairly sophisticated banking system. Online banking infrastructures are well developed over here, and for example, there are ATM machines everywhere in the cities, in the villages even, and almost 100% of stores and shops inside Iran own one or more POS devices. In addition, peddlers carry around mobile POS devices with themselves. In Iran, people usually do their payments with debit cards, and on average each Iranian owns 5 debit cards, which is a relatively high number. So it is safe to say that although we do not use credit cards, we certainly have an interest in these debit cards. Now, the reason that none of the Iranian banks issue these international credit cards is that these international companies such as MasterCard and Visa do not work with Iranian banks, and this is mainly due to strict embargoes imposed by US upon Iran. Therefore, their cards and financial services is not officially accepted anywhere inside financial system of Iran, which means you cannot bring a credit card with yourself and expect it to work with the ATMs and POS devices inside Iran. Today, a few governmental and private sector organizations offer some sort of credit card, a limited type of credit card to their employees. However, these cards don't have that much functionality, and the cardholder, the users, are only allowed to purchase from a handful of stores. In my future videos, I'm going to dig deeper into investment and spending habits of people inside Iran. Also, I'll explain how a lack of credit card payment system has contributed to less fraud and safer transactions. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. At the end of this video, I want to ask you about credit cards. You use them all the time. Is it possible to live without them? And do you think credit cards tempt you to spend more and save less? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.